YouTube. Your Weekend Gardener here. Let's see, what is today? Today is August the 2nd, and I believe this corn is ready. Kind of got it up here propped up. This one, I believe is ready because one, it sticks out. I think that's what it was. It angles out. This is dry. That's dry. Super skinny. We're gonna check. Get that snap. Nice little teeny size. Let's check this one out over here. I don't know about this one. Well, to be honest, this is actually the best year of corn that I had. Last year, my stalks were tall and pencil size, and they never formed a kernel. Here's another one. I don't know. It's kind of hard. Let's peel back. Thumb test. No juice. I don't know if that's ready. Alright, we're gonna see if this one's ready or did I fall on my face.